Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Flake cookbook. Today we're making sugar bombed carrots. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for the make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to be peeling and slicing 2 pounds of carrots. It's a lot of carrots. Once the carrots are sliced, you're going to put them into a pot of boiling water. And then you're going to reduce it to medium-low and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes until the carrots are very tender. Like squishing your hand tender, but don't squish them in your hand because it'll be very hot and you'll burn yourself. I didn't do that, don't worry. Next, once they're all tender, you're going to drain them, and then it says put them in a large bowl, but I just put them back in the pot. You're going to add in a tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a teaspoon of salt, and you're going to mash that all together. Once it's all mashed together and relatively smooth, you're going to put in a 1/3 cup of coconut milk and mix until it's all incorporated. And then you're going to put it into a 9x12 baking dish and set aside. Preheat your oven to 350. But I should have said it earlier, but it doesn't matter. You're watching this entire video ahead of time, right? Anyway, now in a food processor, you're going to combine a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, your remaining 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, remaining 1 teaspoon of salt, along with 2/3 a cup of some frosted flake-like cereal, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and 2 tablespoons of diced candied ginger. Then you sprinkle all the topping on top, and you're going to spread it out so it's a pretty even coat, and you're going to throw it in the oven for 30 minutes, and then you're going to turn on the broiler for 5 minutes. This is surprisingly good. I'm going to be honest, I thought I'd hate this. I'm not a big fan of cooked carrots, so I thought I was going to despise this, but I didn't. I thought it was going to be too sweet, I thought it was going to be weird, but no, it actually works very well. 8.5 out of 10. Also, would be great for Thanksgiving.